This is the first month, $16. This is the second, and this is where I am now, almost 2,000 euros. The best part? I made this money staying at home with just my phone. Don't be fooled by my voice. I used artificial intelligence because, while earning this money, I never had to show my face or use my real voice. I didn't even want to use it for this video. How did I reach this milestone? How did I manage to quit my job as a construction worker? Step by step, I'll explain everything. I'm not here to talk about motivation or discipline. I'm not here to tell you to wake up early, take cold showers, or read books. I'm here to walk you through the exact steps I took, so you can copy them or use my strategy and customize it your way. First of all, you need to understand what tools we'll be using: TapMob and Instagram. These are two apps that anyone can download right now. You probably already know what Instagram is, but TapMob? TapMob is a CPA marketing app. But what does that mean?
But basically, this is like a CPA marketing platform where you can find a lot of different CPA offers in the offers section right over here, which pay you anywhere from $5 to $6 when someone submits their email address. So CPA stands for cost per action, so you're being paid when someone completes a certain action, which is in this case just submitting their email address. So you can find all of these different offers, like for example a DoorDash $100 giveaway, which pays you $5 per person that you refer. All you need to do is submit their email address for a chance to win a $100 gift card, and you're going to be paid $5 when they submit their email address, which obviously makes it super easy. So all you gotta do is pretty much just tap copy link, and you can start sharing that with other people. When someone submits their email address, you're being paid $5 for it. If you go to the offers tab, you find all of these different offers, all the different giveaways. Like for example, this is an iPhone 14 giveaway, which pays you $6 per conversion. So you can just copy the link and you can start sharing that with other people.
For example, in this case, they just need to enter their email and you'll earn $8. They don't even need to enter their credit card details and you'll get paid. But now, the most important question: who do you share your link with? Family? Friends? No. That's way too few people. Here's where Instagram comes into play. I'm not here to tell you the secret to getting lots of views from scratch, because that's impossible. How did I do it? I bought an already popular account, a faceless page. I don't need to record videos or show my face, and boom! I got millions of views, like this video, which has 4.5 million views. Do you want to know how much money I made the day I posted it? 104 euros. Time spent creating it? 5 minutes. I took a video, used CapCut, and boom, posted it and made money. But I never would have succeeded if I had posted it from a newly created account. I had an account I bought with 39,000 followers. Now it has 40,900 followers. And you know what? If I didn't want to do this anymore, I could resell the account and make my money back, or even profit. How? There's a Discord group where you can find people who buy and sell Instagram accounts. Usually, prices are around $10 per 1,000 followers. What does that mean? You can have hundreds of thousands of views for every video you post. And when you no longer want the account, there's a very high chance you'll have more followers than when you bought it. So not only do you make money from the views, but you can also resell the account whenever you want. The Discord server has a chat where you can ask for the type of account you're looking for, and another chat where you can put your accounts up for sale. The best part? You don't need hundreds of dollars to start. Right now, there are accounts available for as little as $20. The link to the server is in my bio. Inside the server, you'll find both accounts for sale and the app I mentioned earlier in the Earn section. One important thing: once you have an Instagram account, you won't just be able to do CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. Most likely, you'll also have companies reaching out to ask for sponsorships, so you can get paid to post a story or a post. Once you have a large audience watching the videos you create, you'll have countless opportunities to make money. Personally, I started with TapMob because I didn't want to sell courses or make my followers spend money. On TapMob, I even found a way not only to avoid charging my followers, but to help them make money too. So, the foundation of making money is audience plus product, which means Instagram plus TapMob.